What's up, guys? Leo Ramirez. Today we're going to be making another video with this fidget spinner that I got 2 days ago. No, 3 days ago actually. I got it. Yeah, 3 days ago. It's a fidget spinner. You can see spins and spins. So we're gonna be making. Let's see if this camera could catch this spinning. So let's test it out. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but let me check. So wait, little board. Okay. And now y'all can catch it on. Okay, I'll catch this. Okay, you know what? Okay, now can y'all catch this? Yep. You can catch it all right. Oh, it's catching it. It's gonna be a short video. And let's try it again. Try this. Yo. Dude could catch it. Yo, look at that. Again, faster. Okay. Yo, look at that. Looks so awesome. Yo, y'all can see it right there. Right there. It looks so weird.